Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. KK's channel. Today we will see what is VMware.
Okay, na? So based on that, how the VMware virtualization technology is followed with these people, with this cloud provider. So that things are explained in this slide. So here, we already in number of times we have seen that the VM is one of the leader of the virtualization technology. So here we can find the n number of solutions in the cloud computing solutions. So here this is playing a very important role, virtualizations in the cloud computing. How the mode of transportations they are giving, not the transportation, that is key. That is how we are keeping the mode of data, either in a private, public or hybrid. Okay. So here what kind of VMware? What kind of VMware? See here. So VMware vCloud Director, VMware Cloud Data Center Service, and then vSphere, VMware vShield. So these are all offered by this VMware through the private or public or hybrid mode. Okay. So here they provide the private cloud where we can have a better usage. Why? Because now we will be able to keep our data in a private mode compared to the hybrid and the public cloud. Okay, so apart from that, these people are offering the secured and very efficient resources and also fault tolerant, and their environment is also very good managed, and they are molded and it is operated by the customer in a easy manner. Apart from that, what they are offering, so we need to see what they are offering. They are offering a greater standardization and then rapid provisioning, self-service. So self-service means the customer or the user, they themselves can have the API framework or any runtime environment. Okay, so they can have their own. Okay, they can interact with this particular cloud service provider, and they can have their service by themselves. So such kind of offering also given by this cloud provider. Apart from that, here we are having the modular technology. So what the customers can do now, they can enable any kind of hardware, any variety of hardware. We can select the variety of hardware, not only the hardware, any software or certified services. So whatever the particular thing we want now, we can get it from this particular cloud service provider. Here they are talking about the private cloud. So private cloud, they are created under this. We saw na, so many VMwares are included in the VMware. So VMware vSphere and the VMware vCloud Director, these two people are very very essential when they are creating a private cloud. Okay, so this private cloud, what they are doing, they are creating a robust virtualization platform. So what for? We want to have some of the virtual storage, compute, network resources. And also, if you want to have the service within the particular organizations, and that kind of things also provided by these people. So apart from this peer, what they are doing now, infrastructure and application level. So these two level also they are providing the services for the customer. Infrastructure level means what kind of operations they can perform na, compute, storage and network resources. Application level means service level control. So where one particular applications running na, they want to have some of the control in the applications, and they want to secure, and they want to have some scalable application, that also provided in this application level. And now they are talking about the vCloud Director. So what is this vCloud Director offered by the VMware? So which is coupled with this VMware vSphere software. So what these people are doing now, they are helpful to build a secure and n number of customers in a private cloud, where we are having a pool of infrastructure resources, so that the customer can expose them and they can use the various applications in the web or the application relevant automated catalog based services. So this kind of services they are providing, vCloud directors. So these people are providing this kind of services. So apart from that, these people are having a various architecture which will helpful for the multi-tenant. Multi-tenant means more than one users can use in the n number of devices. And these features are also isolated with the virtual resources, and they are also very sure, they are authenticated, and they have their policy control, and they have a very unique catalog. So that things are also explained along with this vCloud director. So apart from that, this vShield technology, what kind of offerings and they are providing, that things are discussed in this point. So what they are saying now, we want to have some of the perimeter protections and port level firewall, any kind of services related to security. Okay, I want to have some kind of security for my resources. For example, simple example, I'm telling you, you want to have a printer. So that printer is available in a cloud. And if you want to take any hard copy, there's a hardware resources na, you want to share with the particular cloud provider. And here, which plays the main role, na, security plays the main role. So this VMware cloud provider, what they are doing now, using this vShield technology, they are providing the high level security to share the particular resource to the customer. Okay. So apart from that, what are all the various things provided by the vCloud director, vCloud API? That is the thing they are discussing here. So here we are having the infrastructure and application services. Already they told about the vCloud director and how they are deploying and consuming their need. That interactions is also discussed in the previous slide. Especially the main point is they are user friendly. They are user friendly. So that this VMware vCloud director will help us to interact with the customer and the cloud provider in the easiest way. And this point also already we have discussed. They are open and they are using a representational environment interface. So where response and request is given with the help of this interface and with the open virtualization format also. Okay, so these point already we have discussed about the vCloud director. And apart from that, we have the VMware vCenter orchestrator. So what these people will do now, everything is in automatic operations. Various process like routine tasks, some of the activities and their workflow. And here they are providing the public and hybrid kind of data also. This VMware vCenter orchestrators. Not only with the particular service, with the other companies also, they will be collaborating with us. And apart from that, they are talking about the data center services and the VMware Cloud Express. So this is one of the very efficient IaaS utilizations. Either we can make use of this in a public or a hybrid mode. This data center, what these people are doing now, they are creating a dynamic scalable environment. So where we can get the external resources. So we want to build in the same technology on some of the foundations, and we want to enable the interoperability between the cloud environment. What the user is doing now, the user is feel free to burst a private cloud into a public cloud. So this preferences is also provided by this cloud provider, and they are offering a IaaS offering where this co-branded service are very reliable. And as we discussed it n number of times in the class, pay as you go. So how much we are using, that much alone we can pay. No need to pay more. Okay, so it is budget relevant. Okay, so we can have very low budget. Apart from the data centers, we have the Virtua Core vCloud Express, and which these are all the various types of the VMware, which helps to have the load balancing, storage option, and also the prices are varying. Whatever the kind of resources you are choosing, according to that, these prices are different. Okay, they vary according to that.